So today let's look at how we can merge these three files here under one file. So the first step, you will open a blank page, then click on Insert, Object, then Text from File. So these are the three files. Select all of them, then click Insert, and that is done. So let us look at the three files: blog, contact list, and then the last one. The app, so that's the blog, then the contact list. You can edit, can do further editing. Then the last one is the paper, can do further editing there. I hope you find this useful. Kindly share with a friend, and don't forget to like. It is free to like. Thank you.